Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to my home office. Welcome to Friday. Good to see everybody. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Ryobi Inflator. Backstory, I got rid of my compressor, haven't bought one yet, and I've got a low tire alert on my truck. So we're going to try this sucker out today and see how it does. Y'all stay with us. Okay, let's move everything out of the way. Let's see where we open this thing up at. Oh man, I don't even think I need my knife today. Okay. Well, this is supposed to work. Inflates up to 150 psi, nozzle, and everything's included. All of my cordless tools are already these Ryobi lithium batteries, so I figured I would go ahead and get it. Let me see if I can open this without hurting myself. Well, I am going to need a knife. There we go. Let's see what we got in the box here. We have the operator's manual. Comes in 19 different languages. We have all the safety rules and all the parts that you can buy from Ryobi. So we'll just put that over here, and it looks like a joystick from a video game. Nothing else in the box. Set that right here. Got all the safety stuff. It does have a gauge back here. It's in PSI and bar. Considering that's a Ford outside, I won't use the bar. Squeeze trigger. It's got it's actually got a needle for a basketball or football, and then it's got a little blow nozzle. Well, that's cool. Let's plug this thing up and see what it does. Hey, there we go. And it's got a place to put the hose. That's a quality tool if I've ever seen one. Tell you what, we're going to go out. Sorry, Gretchen. Didn't mean to do that. We'll take this thing out to the truck and see if we can get rid of those low tire alarms. Y'all hang with me. We'll run outside. Okay, here we are in the truck. Phew, boy, it's hot in here. Oh, let me turn the wheel. Whew. Okay, I just cranked the truck up and turned the wheel so I can see a good view of it. We're showing 32 psi on the back tires. Let me reposition this thing and we'll see if we can get rid of that. Okay, let's see what this thing will do now. Showing 32. Okay, it's showing 36. Yes, I know my engine's on. And my door's open. Okay, that got it to 34. My engine's on. Yes, I know. Thank you much. No, not my door's open. Thank you much. They got it to 34. Let me put a little bit more in it. We'll see. Okay. Sorry about that. As you can see, my low tire alarm is gone now. For some reason, it took all the way to 37 to get it off. I'm gonna get them all at 35 here shortly. It's about, well, you can see right here, where's my thing? It's 96 degrees outside right now here in Northwest Georgia. It took me about 2 minutes on each of the rear tires to get from 32 to 37, as hot as it is. I paid $27 for this inflator and I already had the battery, so I believe in a pinch it's worth it, because I didn't have to go to a gas station, pay $1.50, and I didn't have to go buy a compressor just for this. So I'll give you my thoughts about it here in just a minute. Okay, my final thoughts on the Ryobi power inflator. Like I said, $27 saved me a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of trouble. If you already have the batteries, this is a good deal. Now, if you have to buy a battery, that's $39 and charger. But if you already have this thing, it's pretty impressive. Now, if I had to pump something up to 150 PSI, I'm not real sure about that. It would take forever. And you do that, and then you make the dog jump. So, but anyway, this has been the unboxing. I recommend it. You know, if you need something in a pinch and something small, pool toys or balls and stuff, you know, tires, good deal. Anyway, I gotta quit doing that. Anyway, thanks for joining the channel here. If you like the video, hit thumbs up. The other button works. Subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to see more videos. I'm gonna try to put 1 or 2 out a week. Just appreciate you watching it. I'm gonna go let the dog out, cook some supper, and try to enjoy this Friday evening. You do the same, and y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.